What's the meaning of biotic? Biotic. Biotic.
Biotic. Biotic. The term biotic generally refers to living organisms and the variously biological processes or activities associated with them. It is commonly used in the context of ecology, where biotic factors refer to the living organisms and their interactions within an ecosystem, as opposed to abiotic factors such as temperature and rainfall. For example, the biotic factors in a forest might include the trees, animals, fungi, and microorganisms, and the various ways they interact with each other to form a complex, interconnected web of life. Understanding biotic factors is important for understanding the health and functioning of ecosystems, as well as for managing natural resources and mitigating environmental impacts.